In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a plus cow with just 4 pieces. So, because I'm a Denver Broncos fan, I'm going to show you how to build one of these cows with 4 pluses. So what you need is 4 pieces. So first you take this orange piece, you connect it like this, then you turn it over, take the other plus piece and connect it like that, turn it over again, and make the head. And there you have your plus cow. To get these pluses, you can click the link below this video and get them on Amazon. And you can also subscribe to my videos to find out more interesting things I do for English or for other things you can use for teaching. Share this video with your friends. Thanks. Have a great day. Moo.